啦，第4條啦，咁啊，according to你個 label 啦，energy label 啦，咁啊，which statement about an aircon of grade 1 is correct？咁咧，佢第一句就話 more energy efficient than a refrigerator of grade 5。咁咧，我哋要 apple to apple 咁樣比較嘅。你係一隻 aircon，你就應該淨係同 aircon 比較。你咩 refrigerator 整個雪櫃出嚟咧？呢個係無稽之談嚟嘅，A 一定唔啱。好啊，第二個 the power consumption must be less than an aircon at grade 5。咁呢個都唔關事嘅，佢係比較緊你嘅 efficiency，唔係講緊你絕對效量。係啊，即係你可能係一隻好垃圾、好細嘅，可能你就係一個車嘅冷氣啦，咁樣可能係面 like 一匹啩咁上下啦。咁你可能sorry，可能你係一個好大嘅雪櫃，咁可能10匹啦。咁你另外 B 嗰個你可能係一匹冷氣啦。咁你10匹嗰個係多啲喎，但係唔影響佢 energy efficiency 可以好高噶嘛。係啦，所以呢個就唔關事嘅。你絕對值同埋你 percentage 係兩回事嚟嘅。好啦，C 啦。咁佢 energy efficiency 一定 above average of 嗰啲 aircon，咁same category 啦 of the same coin cap 啦，咁呢個咧就絕對 apple to apple 啦，咁呢個咧相當 make sense，答案就係 C 啦。咁我哋都睇埋 D 嗰句啦，咁佢嘅 efficiency 一定 below average 好啦，呢句錯咗啦，完。